Patience, my beauticians. My name is Bijoux Augustin. I am 21 years old, involved in the entertainment industry, acting, modeling, dancing, singing, rapping. I do it all. Currently, I'm working on this project. It's a movie called Hardtimes. I am doing voiceover for the mother. Her name is Ingrid. She is Moses' mother. It's a very interesting character, and so is the movie. I hope that you guys do go out and show Iowa film support whenever they come out with something, and you can look for me on their next project. My name is Bijoux, and I approve this message.